Africa. This is my official reaction to the Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns game. Ooh, that was a match. That was a fantastic first half. Not so good second half, but very nervous for the coaches. My 2 cents opinion from that match is that the coaches' careers were at stake. Cardoso loses that match, Sundowns fan base would be here. If Coach Wadu loses that match, Orlando Pirates fan base would have been here. And what makes matters worse is they were under threat of even losing their jobs. So I would like to firstly congratulate them for at least getting away with a draw. A point apiece seems like a reasonable result in that scenario. Okay then, let's go straight to the match. It's the first half. Sundowns is trying their best. They keep on moving. They try to push up to the center. Monyane blocks them. Mamelodi Sundowns tries again. Nangu Batsusi Obas enikeza ibhola ku Ayende. They keep on shifting the ball. They pass it on to Nuno Santos. Nuno Santos tries to turn. Boom. They're blocking him with Usibisi. Here's the ball at that time. Not Usibisi, man. Unduli. Yeah. Now Unduli takes the ball, sends it to an Orlando Pirates player. They try to calm the ball down. Ibola liyabuya emumva, goes to Aubrey Modiba. Aubrey Modiba tries to use the flank. There's Siema on that side. He can't move further up. They bring the ball to the center again. Hey, Obasebon Uti, there's nothing you can do here. Sends the ball backwards. The ball lands with the center back. Center back says, let me send to Ronan Williams. Ronan Williams alithola ibhola bese lisa phambili. Kamkekana laphana ujulukile, akazi nanokuthi esale yini at the back or whether I should push forward. Furthermore, the case may be. Some of the Mamelodi Sundowns players were not even seen on that pitch. People are getting too excited, too emotional. Until Peter Shalulile, Nuno Santos. No. Until Peter Shalulile and Atar Salish decided, no, we've had enough. Matthews, on your side. When you get the ball on your side, drift inwards, right? Unikeza space to Kulishomutao to push a bit further. When he pushes a bit further, siyangena nala ngaphakathi, right? Ukhona uNuno Shantu ngalana kwi-center bese wenza izinto zakhe laphana, give the ball to Otta Salesh. When Otta Salesh has the ball, he'll try and do his thing, find Peter Shalulile scores that goal, right? So they do exactly that, right? They create certain movements, but that is pity. Yabona Pirates uthi cha man, isilahlile lento lena. Bazama nabo bandla baya towards east side la akakhona uPeter Shalulile. Bazama bandla ukuthi to have a double man defense or on the line lapha nozophila lele Shalulile engakwazi ukushaya kahle. Guess what Peter Shalulile does? He's sharper as Shibobo. The ball goes straight in the net. La Palmas net, as the commentators might say. Somewhere along the line, Mamelodi Sundowns had the possession in the first half. They were getting numbers into the box. They were creating spaces. But Orlando Pirates would always absorb their pressure and kick it right back at them. Imagine being Mamelodi Sundowns, right? Pirates is letting you move, You think you've won the midfield battle. You think you've won, and now you go to their half just to get swallowed up and bring ball to your half again. Mamelodi Sundowns has never played ping pong football, and they got frustrated. You could see this. The faces of the Mamelodi Sundowns players would be frustrated, lapaya. But guess what happens? Pirates end up getting a set piece because of their frustrations. Batholi corner kick laphana, balifaka, wathi uyakhosa umdlali wePirates. Instead of a player on the box getting the ball, eshaya phambili, you know what happens? Ronan Williams tries and calls the players ukuthi come on guys yabo, aspush yabona, zamani uthi niligade leli ball. Nampa abadlali bePirates bayingozi dana. Mamelodi Sundowns player walishaya ngeheader, and it goes straight and lands at a Pirates player which is outside the box, right outside the box. Bayinyathi Sundowns bethi Ntwana le. You know what Ntwana did? Washaya enye ikick imfana eyongena laphana ekhoneni urangeni lezi angayiboni ngisho nokuyibona, yaze abambisa uLokhunja. Onye nimbiza ngoba onye nimbiza ngoba nickname yakhe mfethu this guy uSipho Mbule. I forgot his nickname, but even now what and now uyazi uSipho Mbule ebamba ikhanda kanje kusho ukuthi le ntwana lena is very good footballer. Anyways, imatch iqhubeka imatch. We saw some incredible football in that first half, last period, because both teams were fighting in order to have that leading goal, right? Abageja abantu mabe under pressure. Hi, angaze ngibabona abantu abageja kanje. From the Pirates side, the only promising attack engiyibonile ile kaSiema. Siema moves from the back, waliphasa ibhola ne, lands at somebody else, wangena center, walithola back ibhola, wahamba nalo Siema, outrunning iMamelodi Sundowns' defense. Usemile laphana head to head with Ronan Williams, wafike wayishoot uSiema. Hey, I'm telling you, if it was not Ronan Williams on the goals on that day, ilaphola belizongena nazi. And bese ngihleli kanje esihlaleni sami, ngilindele ukuthi likhale. Kanti uRonel uzolisave uRonel. Kukhona futhi nenye i-time laphana iMamelodi Sundowns, kube ngathi uNuno Santos uyalithola ibhola, kube ngathi bamuva kamncane ba-create space. Nami-ke sengihleli kanjena-ke futhi sengihleli kanje ngithi khona into abazoyi-create lapha. Kube khona lesi sikhathi lesi uLokhunja ukhulisha Mudawu ehamba laphana ngakuyiwinga lapha edlalela ngakulayini. Okay, he plays towards the line, he tries to look at the player, but a defender comes, steals his ball, and it becomes a goal kick. He kept on asking for Lokhunja, what you call this? Kept on asking for a corner kick, but no, it was a clear goal kick. You are the one who touched your ball last, so it's a goal kick. Yeah, William had so much energy. Loftus had so much energy. The empty seats were not as much as they usually are. In fact, there were so many fans, I barely heard myself thinking while watching that match. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Second half, I feel like the players were being way too emotional. I feel like they didn't have their heads down. People were too concerned about being the hero. People were too concerned about being the player of the match. People were too concerned about everything else other than just playing the game, keeping their composure, and doing what their coaches told them to do, which was evident in the way that in the way that the coaches reacted, right? You saw Miguel Cardoso. There was a period in this match where if I took a picture of those guys in Abesia Trenda Jengamanje, Miguel Cardoso was like, coach, both of them, Bameyanje, Kanje. The camera was recording both of them at the exact same time. I'm telling you, that picture would be trending if I would have posted it at that very moment. Anyways, that is all I have for you today. Yeah, gents, keep on loving football. Libe nosuku oluhle. Sawabona ama-fans agalalelile nabafana beShushainen Piano bayayithinta into yabo kodwa babuzanga elangeni ngoba nampa abafana abagebhula umuzwa kamasipala bawenza owabo bafikile enkundleni nabo bayishintsha ukudla esiswini. Awu amadoda, siyabonga, siyabonga. Hi, this is Mpilo. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I release the video. Don't forget to share and like, comment below. Your engagement can help me grow this channel faster than I ever thought. Thanks for watching. Bye.